Hello student, welcome to all of you again. Previous lecture we had discussed some examples of matrices and some proof show that. Today now start definition of the following and given one example of each definitions. First definitions, idempotent matrix. Second, nilpotent matrix. And third definition in involutory matrix. Okay, the first definition is idempotent matrix means a square matrix A is said to be idempotent matrix. Again, a square matrix A is said to be idempotent matrix if A square is equal to A. We know the square matrix. This matrix is order, that is 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, n by n or m by m. These all matrices are square matrix. ओके, अगोदर idempotent matrix काय आहे समजून घ्या. अ स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स ए इज सेड टू बी idempotent matrix. तुमचा idempotent मॅट्रिक्स काय असेल, स्क्वेअर असेल. आणि त्याची कंडिशन्स काय, इफ ए स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू ए. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ए इज इक्वल टू एक स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स आहे, पण त्याच मॅट्रिक्सला परत त्या एने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर परत ए हा सोल्युशन आला पाहिजे, तर तो आला idempotent मॅट्रिक्स. कंडिशन इज इफ ए स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू ए. सी द वन एक्झाम्पल. Example A is equal to this matrix is ordered 3 by 3. That means this is a square matrix. First row 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3 is a idempotent. चला प्रूफ करो. राइट, therefore we know the A, we know the matrix of A, and A square is equal to A into A is a square. This is the A. Another A is equal to A square is equal to, the multiplication is first row first column 2 into 2 4 minus 2 into minus 1 minus plus 2 minus 4 into 1 minus 4. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Let's see next calculation. First row second column is 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8, and last 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 2 into 4 minus 8 minus 4 into minus 3 is equal to 12. This is complete is first row. Now second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, and lastly third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. This is a solution of the A square is equal to. A square is equal to value is first 4 plus 2 minus 4 is equal to 2, minus 4 minus 6 plus 8 is equal to minus 2, minus 8 plus 12 is equal to minus 4, like that. Now final solution is A square is equal to first row 2 minus 2 minus 4, second row minus 1 3 4, and third row 1 minus 2 minus 3. C, you know the value of A is equal to this matrix and A square is equal to this matrix, both our matrix are same. That's why this matrix is idempotent matrix. Why? A square matrix capital A is said to be, capital A is denoted by matrix. A is said to be idempotent matrix. The condition is A square is equal to A. Since A square is equal to A, therefore the matrix A is a idempotent matrix. Now, second definition is nilpotent matrix. Nilpotent matrix. Right definition: a square matrix A is called nilpotent if there exists a positive integer m such that a to the power m is equal to 0 if m is the least positive integer such that a to the power m is equal to 0, then m is called the index of the nilpotent matrix of A. Definition समझूंगे. A square matrix capital A is said to be nilpotent matrix. Is it right? The condition is if there exists A चा power किती असेल, 2 असेल, 3 असेल, 4 असेल, हे पॉझिटिव्ह असेल, पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर m such that a to the power m is equal to 0. If m is the integer positive integer such that a to the power m is equal to 0, then m is called the index of the nilpotent matrix. A to the power 2 असेल, a to the power 3 असेल, a to the power 4 असेल, a to the power m असेल, तर a न a to the power 3 असेल तर काय करावं लागेल, a इंटू a इंटू a, आणि त्याचं सोल्युशन काय आलं पाहिजे, इज इक्वल टू 0 मॅट्रिक्स. 0 मॅट्रिक्स ऑर नल मॅट्रिक्स, त्याचं म्हणतो आपण नल मॅट्रिक्स इज इक्वल टू, तर तो झाला nilpotent matrix. See the one example. Let example A is equal to first row AB B square, second row minus A square minus AB is a nilpotent such that A square is equal to 0. हा nilpotent आहे का नाही, कधी प्रूफ होईल, A square is equal to 0 म्हणजे A इंटू A, तर मल्टिप्लिकेशन केल्यानंतर त्या तो मॅट्रिक्समध्ये सगळे एलिमेंट्स काय आले पाहिजे, म्हणजे 0 आले पाहिजे, तर तो nilpotent matrix. Proof, solution. We know the A is equal to this matrix, and A square is equal to A into A is equal to this matrix also into this matrix. A square is equal to, multiply the both matrices, first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column, like that. A square AB into AB, A square into B square, B square minus A square, AB cube minus AB cube minus A cube B plus A cube B minus A square B plus A square B square. That means A square B square minus A square B square is equal to 0. AB cube minus AB cube is equal to also 0. Minus A cube B plus A cube B is also 0. And minus A square B plus A square B is equal to 0. That means all elements are 0. All elements are 0. That's why this matrix is nilpotent matrix. Nilpotent matrix. Okay. So students, I hope you understand this lecture. So next lecture is another some definitions: transpose of matrix, nilpotent of matrix, involuntary of matrix. Okay, so stop here. Thank you again.